Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing this super cute little puppy liner tutorial. This is very like TikTok girl type vibes, and I saw an inspiration on TikTok. If I'm being quite honest, I feel like it looks a little funny on me, but I feel like this will look super cute on so many of you guys. I just think it's like a very fun, like experimental thing to find out like what you like in makeup. I had a lot of fun creating this. I just have to kind of get used to it. I'm gonna make some TikToks right now. It's just like very playful. It looks so good on so many girls. It's just on me, I feel like it's very out of the box. This is what it looks like. It's like a very dramatic like bat wing eye. Without further ado, let's start into the video. I got this look from Lord Lacey on Instagram and it looks so beautiful. She got her inspo from Stens on Instagram. I couldn't find the original picture though, so I'm using her as the example. So as you guys can see, it's very like TikTok, like I think some people call it like the puppy liner. I'm starting off with the brows. I've been obsessed with this recently. This is the by Mario Clear Brow Gel. This completely took over my love for the NYX brow gel, because for some reason it's not working for me anymore. Like I think you guys might have jinxed me, because at first you guys told me like it's so good, it works so well, and then I got some comments saying like it's not good. And after you guys had told me that it's not working that great, it stopped working. I like this so much better. It's a lot easier to work with and it dries down pretty quickly. Unfortunately, I've ran out of my LA Girl foundation, but I'm sure you guys have been tired of me constantly just raving about that foundation, so I'm going back to my roots. I'm using my Sheer Glow foundation by NARS. But look at this Sheer Glow, how beautifully it applies. Now for my concealer, I'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Nude. And I do have my discount code right here. It's Aidette10. Pretty sure you guys know the drill by now, but you guys can get some money off of this super already very amazing affordable makeup. I just love how this sponge and this concealer just blend so beautifully. I've used so many sponges in my days. Like I've used Real Techniques, I've used Beauty Blender, I've used it all. This one just doesn't get better than this one, honestly. It comes in a 2-pack, or you can also get them separately, but I definitely recommend getting the 2-pack because you never know when you're gonna lose your sponge, you know? Now today I'm using this Anastasia powder, and I really like how it's in a huge container. This is not really amazing for if you're going to be traveling, so that's the one thing that's hard for me. This was actually in the shade Vanilla and it was too light, and I did find that Anastasia gave me a little bit of flashback, so do be aware of that. So I added my Ben Nye banana powder, which is too dark for me at the moment, so I was like, you know what, I need to mix both. Let's see if it works. My banana powders never fail me, but if you guys want something like inexpensive, because Ben Nye and Anastasia are both kind of pricey, definitely get the LA Girl banana powder. I swear everyone that I have put onto LA Girl has been shocked how good it is for the price. Rarely do I ever switch up on my banana powder from LA Girl. Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm using my LA Girl pressed powder, and this is in the shade Warm Caramel. It's supposed to be, but I use it as my contour slash bronzer. Whenever I warm up my face, I always like to put it like right into like above my cheekbones, and then bring it up and just kind of feather it up where it's just so it effortlessly blends. But if you guys want the in-depth tutorial, I do my cream and powder contour. I have the most descriptive video. I believe it's like about a little bit over 10 minutes, but I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys can go see it. A lot of people have been saying like after watching that you've changed my face. Taking some of my powder, so I'm gonna kind of let that sit there and bake. I'm not gonna take it off until after we've kind of got a little bit more done on our face. So I'm mixing a very hot pink and baby pink together, and just you know what, that look calls for it to go across the nose, but that's not really my style. Okay, I'll try it. So first, let's take off this contour. Let's take off this bake first. So now going in with our blush. She put it like across the nose like this. I literally never ever do this. So I feel like change is good sometimes. So I'm not gonna go too heavy-handed, but I definitely want it to be seen, so we want kind of like that little sunburnt nose effect. I don't like how this looks on me, like at all. It's fine. It'll come together with the eyes. Let's just move on to the eyes. Okay, so it turns out I indeed was not supposed to do any type of color on my lids. So I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and taking my white shadow. Fun part. So this is the eye here. Basically what she has on is a very pigmented white eye on the top and bottom, and just used really thick eyeliner and did like geometric shaping for like fake lashes and pizzazz. So I have the perfect concealer for that. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Whiteout, but I'm going to be taking this on a flat little brush like this. As you guys can see, I always use it because it's beat up. So I'm taking this on my lid, and I'm kind of doing like a cut crease in a sense, just like shaping out my eye. I'm gonna put it all the way almost to the end because we're gonna be covering up the end anyway with eyeliner. And then also I'm taking some of this down below right here. Now I'm gonna be taking a packing brush, and I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette just because it has every single freaking color in there. You guys can use whatever colorful palette that you have. And then I'm going to also be packing the white under here. I have no problem with doing this part. The only thing that I don't exactly know if I'm going to fully pull off is the black eyeliner, only because I have never done like that bat wing type liner. I know I can do it, but I just get a little afraid sometimes. Okay, now for the actual liner, we have a little cat eye moment inside, and it comes in like right into here. So I am gonna have to use a black waterliner, and you guys can see that there's like a little bat wing, so it goes like dramatically up, comes in, and then you kind of do like a downward shape. This is her cut crease, and then right here you can see that up here where the bat wing begins, it kind of like cuts in exactly aligned to where the cut crease starts, lining right along as if I was trying to connect this as my cut crease. Then now, like once I get to like the corner, I'm gonna go downwards, kind of like create a box. You guys can kind of do this too if it makes it easier on you, like a sideways triangle. I don't know geometry, guys, don't come for me. I just know how to do makeup. Also, fun fact, I have not worn black eyeliner in literally a whole entire year since like last year in October, because I like to use this for only special occasions. We can start off with a very normal line and then progress our way up. So I'm starting kind of like from the middle part of my liner, connecting it upwards like this. It looks really messy right now, but it looks like it's coming together. My black liner is like discombobulating on me because I think this white is not working with it. I'm really trying so hard to get this to work because I'm on my last bit. Okay, we're doing a little switcheroony to my LA Girl Jet Setter. Oh, much better. I should have done this 10 years ago. Okay, it looks much more even now. So now it's like a slight little bat wing, and doing my inner cat liner. This part took me some practice, trust me. Do you guys see how smooth this one just rolls on? Again, this is LA Girl. This is LA Girl's Kajal Auto Eyeliner. I'm also going to be taking my Mario pencil. This is in the shade Deep Brunette, and this is what it looks like. It also comes with a little brush. I really like this. It reminds me of these little pencils that my dad used to get me when I was little. But I'm just going to be creating some little hair strokes to go along with my laminated brows. Extending my tail. There we go. It looks a little bit more even now. Ooh, looking cute. I feel like this is a lot. Maybe I should have gone a little bit lighter on the brows, but I think it'll come together once we have like everything on. Now let's just go ahead and put some mascara. Okay, and then over top, like right here, there's like some little equal signs that they placed. Look, cute. This is cute. Okay, I like that. I think this makes it look so much better. I think that was kind of throwing me off because I don't have like anything here, and I always need like a transition shade or else I feel weird. Now we're going to be doing the little tiny lashes. So basically the lashes were kind of like little baby triangles. This looks crazy to me now. The bottom lashes really just made me feel a lot. I'm gonna take a little bit more white liner because I feel like I have an empty space right there. Okay, it was looking pretty weird at first, but I went ahead and set the white under my eyes, and then I placed a white liner right in the rest of my eye. And we're gonna pop on some lashes. I'm using these Tata lashes, and these are in the style Genesis. They're like very spiky, so hopefully this brings the whole look together. And also we are going to be adding a little bit more like contour to the nose. Let's put some of this blush right across, but now bringing back that contour into my nose. And I always make sure to do my little button nose. You guys may like it, and I would definitely say that it looks nice. It's just that I'm not used to it. But now I'm going to be putting on my nose highlights, and I'm taking So Hollywood by Anastasia. I am going to add a little bit of highlight right here under my brows. Okay, this looks great. So now I'm going to have to add on a lippy. So I'm just putting on Sugar and Spice from LA Girl. I am going for like more rounded top lip because I feel like a lot of like alt leather girls always have like a rounder lip. Place Kylie Jenner's Naked lipstick, and this is the matte one, and it looks so pretty. I will be using this Milky Gloss from NYX, and I really like this one because it's like just so pinky and milky. And this is the final look. I think it looks cute, but I just feel like it's not me, so it looks a little bit off. But I'm going to go ahead and put on a cute little outfit, cute top actually, because usually I'm just wearing like pajama bottoms whenever I do my TikToks, and then do my hair. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Like I said, on me it's very different, but it's just, I think it came out pretty close to the picture. I think I might have just done it a little bit more dramatic. It's gonna take me some time to adjust, guys. If you guys want me to recreate any other type of aesthetics or looks, let me know. You guys can feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah.